Exes often resurface just as you're moving on, which can bring confusion or anxiety if you receive an unexpected message from them. Before responding, take a moment to assess your feelings and determine your goals for the conversation. Consider your ex's perspective and engage in a friendly manner, avoiding heavy questions initially to maintain civility. If you're unsure about their intentions, it's okay to ask why they reached out. Remember, you aren't obligated to respond, especially if you're still healing or in a new relationship, as this could complicate matters for both parties. While reconnecting might seem appealing, reflect on the reasons for your breakup to avoid falling into old patterns. Ultimately, be cautious about engaging, especially if the outreach seems driven by nostalgia or loneliness, as it could lead to unhealthy dynamics.